In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone on Snapchat on Samsung. So if you're using a Samsung device and your Snapchat microphone is disabled, you can easily turn on this microphone on your Samsung device. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable or turn on microphone on Snapchat on your Samsung Galaxy device, all you need to do is open the settings application. Once you do that, scroll down and click on apps. Then once you selected app, scroll down until you get to Snapchat. So you want to scroll down to the bottom until you get to X. Then here, you want to locate Snapchat. Then click on it. Once you click on the Snapchat application, click on permissions. Now, under permission, scroll down and click on microphone. Then you should see that says allow only while using the application, ask every time or don't allow. Then go ahead and tap allow only while using this application. Then you can now go back to the Snapchat application like this. Then the microphone will have been allowed on the Snapchat application if you follow through the steps I shared with you in this video. So this is how to turn on microphone on Snapchat. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.